Hey, want to know the secret to building a real estate empire without tying up your cash? Stick around because I'm about to share a game-changing strategy that's helped me and countless others scale fast. Welcome back. I'm Mike Slane, the discount property investor. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful strategies in real estate investing, the BRRRR method. If you've ever wanted to build wealth through single-family homes, this approach can be a game changer. It's simple, repeatable, and lets you recycle your money to grow your portfolio fast. So let's break it down and show you how it works. BRRRR stands for Buy, Rehab, Rent, Refinance. It's a step-by-step process that helps you buy properties, fix them up, rent them out, and pull your money back out. The beauty of BRRRR is that it lets you scale your real estate business without tying up your cash forever. Let's walk through each step so you can see why this method is so popular. First up, buy. The key here is finding a great deal on a single family home. You're looking for properties that are undervalued, maybe distressed or foreclosed, so you can buy them below market value. This gives you room to add value and make a profit. For example, let's say you find a house worth $150,000 after repairs, but it's in rough shape, so you snag it for $80,000. That's the kind of deal you want. Sites like Discount Property Leads can help you find these discounted properties fast. Check out their link in the description to see how they connect investors with off-market deals. Coupling this with using a private lender or hard money lender to fund the initial purchase can allow you to leverage your cash more or potentially acquire without using any of your own cash. Next is rehab. This is where you roll up your sleeves and fix the property to increase its value. Focus on repairs that give you the biggest bang for your buck, like updating kitchens, bathrooms, or flooring. Stick to a budget, maybe $20,000 on that $80,000 house. Now your total investment is $100,000, but the home's value after repairs could be $150,000 or more. The goal is to create equity, which you'll tap into later. Step 3, rent. Once the house is fixed up, it's time to find tenants. A single family home in good condition can attract reliable renters who will pay steady rent. Let's say you rent that house for $1,200 a month. That rental income covers your expenses and starts generating cash flow. Plus, it sets you up for the next step. Now we get to refinance. After the property is rented and stabilized, you go to a bank or lender and refinance the home based on its new higher value. In our example, the house is now worth $150,000. A bank might give you a loan for 75% of that value, $112,500. You use that money to pay off your original $100,000 investment. And guess what? You've got your money back, or your lender paid off plus a little extra, and you still own the property. That's the magic of BRRRR. All right, we're halfway through, and I hope you're as excited about BRRRR as I am. If you're finding this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Got questions about BRRRR or real estate investing? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and answering your questions. Now let's talk about why BRRRR is so powerful for building wealth. First, it maximizes your cash. Instead of tying up $100,000 in one property forever, you get most of that money back to invest again. Second, you're creating equity through smart rehabbing, which boosts your net worth. Third, you're generating passive income from rent. It's like a snowball effect for your real estate portfolio. But here's the thing, BRRRR takes knowledge and strategy to get right. You need to know how to find deals, estimate repair costs, work with lenders, and manage tenants. If you're new to this, it can feel overwhelming. That's where learning from experienced investors makes a huge difference. Communities like Real Estate School are awesome for connecting with other investors, getting mentorship, and learning the ropes. They've got courses, forums, and resources to help you master strategies like BRRRR. There's a link in the description to check them out. Definitely worth a look if you're serious about real estate. Another key to success with BRRRR is finding those discounted properties. That's where Discount Property Leads comes in. They specialize in connecting investors with motivated sellers and off-market deals, which are perfect for this strategy. You can find properties at prices that give you the wiggle room to make BRRRR work. Their link is in the description too, so take a peek if you're ready to start hunting for deals. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. BRRRR works best when you do your homework. Always run the numbers before buying. Check repair costs, rental rates, and what lenders will offer on a refinance. If the deal doesn't pencil out, walk away. There's always another property out there. Patience and discipline are your best friends in this game. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you're pumped to explore the BRRRR method and start building your real estate empire. If you want to dive deeper, check out Real Estate School for awesome learning resources, or visit Discount Property Leads to find your next deal. Both links are in the description. And don't forget to watch more of our videos on real estate investing right here on the channel for more tips and strategies. See you in the next one.